Chapter 14, a profitable Fiverr business model. So, in this chapter, we will discuss about a Fiverr business model which is also profitable. That means from which we are making more income. Now, what market is attracted to Fiverr? People who are looking for services at low cost are attracted to this platform. First, that means what market is attracted to Fiverr means who is um, searching on this site. That means people who are looking for services at low cost are attracted to this platform. So there are people who are freelancers or who have a small company, and they are looking for services at low cost. That means at $5 etc. So they are attracted to this platform. Now, search engine optimization service should not be bought from this platform, as success or failure of these services would impact your business directly. So, there is a tip about this site that search engine optimization services, that is SEO services, should not be bought from this site, as success or failure of these services would impact your business directly. That means if they are not good, then it can in fact impact your business, or it can change also your business directly. Now, what gigs should be purchased? So what should be purchased on this site which is more good or more purchasable, or what we can say more profitable? So first is introduction videos. So as a YouTuber or you or content creator, you need introduction videos, so you can buy them from this site. Now second is graphic designing. So graphic design also can be bought from this site. Now third is product design, product boxes. So product boxes are also good on this side. So for they are used for packaging also. Now cover design. Now cover of your project or some you can design buy from that. Now ebooks are also good on this side. Now, in serious situations, your money would be refunded by Fiverr and scammers would be thrown out. So, in serious situation, if we complain at Fiverr, your money would be refunded. Money gets refunded by Fiverr and scammers would be thrown out. How to earn money on this platform? You can earn money by offering high quality services. That means we can offer high quality services and earn money. Now turning this platform to a serious business. So we have to turn this platform to a serious business in order to get our work done, or in order to make money. First, A is offer services which do not take a lot of time to get completed. First, we have to offer those services which do not take a lot of time to get completed. That means those services should be completed fast. So we have to offer services which do not take a lot of time. Second, there are only a few services which are easy and help you earn money. So there are only few services which are easy. That means easy to do, or easy to perform. There are some services which are easy to perform, so they help you earn money. How to drive traffic to your Fiverr gigs? So in order to uh, make these Fiverr gigs working, you have to drive traffic to your Fiverr gigs. First is keywords play an important role. That means we apply keywords for a site, or for that ad. So they play an important role. So first point is keywords play important role. Second, make sure to include appropriate keyword in gigs title. So in that gigs title we have to include appropriate keyword. Now keyword should be included in gigs description. So in description also we have to include proper keyword. Now appropriate tagging should be done. That means tagging should be done appropriately. Now fifth is include video in describing a gig. That means in describing a gig we have to include video also. Now basic SEO for your homepage can route traffic straight from Google page for services. Now basic SEO for your homepage can route traffic straight from Google page for services. That means so SEO service for a homepage can route traffic from Google page to this service also.